Did you know that up to 80% of your immune system is influenced by your gut health? And guess where it all begins? Right inside your mouth. Today, we're diving into the world of dental probiotics, the secret weapon for a healthier smile, fresher breath, and a stronger immune system. If you want to level up your oral health naturally, stay tuned.
Let's be honest, cavities, gum disease, and bad breath are struggles many of us face. Traditional solutions like mouthwashes and toothpaste often only cover up the symptoms instead of addressing the real problem, an imbalance of bacteria inside your mouth. And when harmful bacteria take over, it's a cycle that keeps coming back. Dental probiotics offer a smarter approach. They introduce beneficial bacteria that help balance your oral microbiome, crowding out the harmful germs and restoring natural health. This means less plaque, reduced inflammation, fresher breath, and stronger teeth, all by working with your body, not against it. Recent studies show that people who use dental probiotics experience significant improvements in gum health, breath freshness, and even immune support. Imagine fewer trips to the dentist, a cleaner mouth, and more confidence every time you smile. Dental probiotics aren't just another health trend. They're a simple, natural way to transform your oral health and boost your overall well-being. When you take care of your mouth, you're taking care of your whole body. Have you tried dental probiotics yet? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And don't forget to check out our next video on natural remedies for a stronger, healthier smile. See you there.